Are you waiting for the model question paper of Eklavya Model Residential School? Are you waiting for the previous year question, the selection procedure? Yes, you are in the right track. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the previous year question, the selection procedure, the exam pattern and the online application procedure details of Eklavya Model Residential School teaching post vacancy. So guys, I hope you all are doing very well. Let's start the video. Hello, hi, namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to my channel, A New Hope. Today we are going to discuss about the guidelines for filling the online application form of Eklavya Model Residential School Teaching Staff Selection Exam 2021. Then we will discuss the exam pattern, the syllabus, and all the requisite documents for the online application and all details about post examination and CBT. So we all know around more than 3,000 posts have came out for Eklavya Model Residential School under Tribal Ministry Government of India. So the details, the application procedure, online application started from 1st of April 2021 and it already started since today. So let us start the all the details for the documents they are asking for during our online application and all the details things. So online submission of application start from 1st of April to last of the April. So you should have to apply within 30th April 2021 before that, and the transaction or the payment of fees will be for 1st of May 2021. So it's around 2 days after. You can apply between 1st of April to 30th April 2021, and your last date of fee application is 1st of the May 2021. It can be done either on debit card or net banking or UPI through. So you don't have need to go to bank for your payment of application fee. You can do it through your credit or debit card or in your phone. Then the details, the application fee for principal and vice principal is 2000. Those who are applying for the principal and vice principal post, they have to pay 2000 rupees online, and for those who are applying for postgraduate teacher and trained graduate teacher, they need to pay 1500 rupees. Then correction of particulars of application from website. If you have done any type of mistakes relating to your name, father's name, or any education qualification, address, mail ID, phone number, you need to change something else. It will be available for 2 days during 4th of May to 6th of May. You can do any type of change if you want to. Then the admit card will be available about 1 or 2 weeks before the exam conducted. So it will be notified later period. Date of examination is tentatively last week of May or first week of May, what we discussed in the previous video. Then the duration of examination is 180 minutes or 3 hours. Timing of examination, first shift and second shift. First shift examination for 9 to 12. Then if you are sitting for second shift, then it will be 3 to 6. Yes. Then center of examination as indicated on your admit card. If you are opting for your state, it will be according to the state and the city you are applying for your examination center. Then all the application will be available in recruitment.nta.nic.in. Download information bulletin fast. If you go to this website, you will have 2 3 options: download the information bulletin, or a new registration, or old registration, and apply. You need to download the bulletin, and then you read carefully it. Then you can go for new registration. For registration, you have to opt for your own mail ID, mobile number, and all the details. For the registration, upload scan image of recent photograph. You should have to remember that first you need to keep all the document with the said format, like for they are calling asking for JPG or PDF. Some of the document like your signature, photograph, left hand thumb impression will be in JPG format. from 10 kb to 200 kb. So first you need to collect all these things in the format. Then your caste certificate, your residence certificate in PDF format. So this PDF format is like your 50 kb to 300 kb. So first do all these things. Then otherwise you will get problem while applying for the post. Then pay fee using SBI, Canada Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Paytm, Gateway through debit card, credit card, or net banking. You pay and keep proof of fee paid. If once your fee is paid, then you will get a receipt from online. So you should have to keep the receipt in with you for future reference. Then download and save a print copy of confirmation page of application. When your application process will be completed, you will get an confirmation. Then you should at least print out the page or download the page for your reference. There are all the four steps. First, the registration, application format, payment of fees, then download. All the four steps you do separately and do it carefully. So let who are applying for the reservation under reservation policy like SCBC, OBC, PWD or SC or ST or other any minority, you need to have your reservation certificate and domicile certificate or residence certificate as residence proof. As we are applying for separate state, for our state, our native state, we have to our residence certificate. Then let us discuss the question pattern and all the important other things relating to this. Yes, post-dated level of pay scale for principal around level of 12. So you have around 2 lakhs 900 9,200. For vice principal level 10, 56,000 to 1 lakh 77 70 is for principal post level 12, pay matrix vice principal level 10, postgraduate graduate teachers PGT. There is subject. You have to find your subject. If your subject is available here, you can apply. Otherwise, you don't apply. It will be a waste. English, Hindi, physics, chemistry, mathematics, economics, biology, history, geography, commerce, information and technology. These are the subject for under PGT. So if you have all these any one of the subject, you can apply for that post. You are eligible for the post. Then trained graduate teacher, there is English, Hindi, mathematics, science and social studies. Levels of pay is 7. Then mode of examination. The mode of examination is conducted in computer based test or CBT mode only. Choice of medium of question, like if you are opting for English or either English or Hindi, there is no other regional language. Exam pattern for those who are applying for principal, the exam pattern will be objective type 160 marks, personality test interview 40, then all total is 200 marks. Your duration of the exam is 2 3 hours as we discussed earlier. The examination, the syllabus pattern is general English, general Hindi. What you are opting for? If you are opting for English, you will be question on general English, or you are opting for Hindi, is in general Hindi. And then sorry, selection pattern: general English and general Hindi 10 10 20 marks, general knowledge and current affairs 10 marks, logical reasoning 10 marks, computer literacy 10 marks, quantitative aptitude test 10 marks, academic 30. Then administration and finance 70 marks. As you are acting like the head of the school, as a principal, you have to knowledge throughout all the subjects. So it's all total 160. 1 mark shall be awarded to every correct answer and 0.25 marks shall be deducted for every incorrect answer. So if you have four wrong answer, then one right answer will be deducted from you. Then for vice principal post, the same things: exam objective type 160 marks, and then personality test interview 40 marks. So 160 question, 180 minutes, 160 question. Then general English, general Hindi for part 1, part 2 is general knowledge, current affairs, logical reasoning, computer literacy, quantitative aptitude test. Academic is 60. Then administration and finance is 40. The all total 160 marks. The same procedure will be applicable for vice principal also. Then PGT 160 mark, 40 marks for your personality test or interview, 180 minutes. General English, General Hindi, General Knowledge, Current Affairs, Analytical Ability, Numerical Ability. Analytical ability is 15 marks, numerical ability is 10 marks, computer literacy is 5 marks. Then teaching aptitude or pedagogy is 20 marks. Subject knowledge, which subject you are applying for, your PGT subject is 80 marks. Then 160 marks all total. The same the same procedure will be applicable for your negative marking. So there is negative marking. You have to answer very carefully, which is very sure this option you can opt for that. Then TGT exam objective 180 marks, duration 180 minutes. So for TGT there is 180 mark, not 160 mark. Duration is 180, but there is also negative marking. General English for part 1, General English and General Hindi 20 marks. General knowledge and current affairs 10 mark. Analytical ability 15, numerical ability 10, computer literacy 5, teaching aptitude or pedagogy 20, the subject knowledge is 100. So here you have to more 20 marks in your subject knowledge, which social studies, mathematics, or which subject you are applying for. Then this is the syllabus. You have uh, read according to this. We have now a clear cut idea about the examination. It is now very easier for us to uh, prepare for the post. Then the details of the syllabus in the website recruitment.nta.nic.in, and we will discuss the syllabus detail in the previous in the further in another video. So let us discuss all the details. If yes, mode of examination we have already see all these things. Then important instruction of the candidate. I think it's just for your seat. Then qualification detail for principal, not exceeding 50 years. You have to under 50s. License for SC/ST candidate, master degree from a recognized university, B.Ed or equivalent degree from a recognized university, proficiency in teaching Hindi and English medium, person working in any government, semi-government, government recognized CBSE affiliated secondary school, intercollege holding analogous post, 10 year of experience category for vice principal. Vice principal, 2-year experience category, master degree or with B.Ed. Then for PGT, 40 years is less than 2 years integrated postgraduate course for regional college of education of NCERT in the concerned subject with at least 50 marks in aggregate. So you have to complete your 2 years integrated postgraduate course from Regional College of Education of NCERT or master degree from a recognized university with at least 50% mark in aggregate in the following subject. If you are applying for PGT English, English MA with 50% mark, PGT Hindi or Sanskrit with Hindi as one of the subject at graduate level, mathematics, applied mathematics, PGT physics. You can, if you have physics or applied physics or nuclear physics, if you have done your MA in all three subject, one of the three subject, then you can apply for PGT physics. PGT chemistry, if you have either chemistry MA or biochemistry MA, you can apply for PGT chemistry. PGT biology, if you have done any one of the subject MA with any one of the subject like botany, zoology, life science, biosciences, genetics, microbiology, biotechnology, molecular bio, plant physiology, provided they have studied botany and zoology at graduation level, should have to. Then PGT history, only history subject is there, or landmarks of Indian history. You can apply for PGT. Geography, commerce, master degree in commerce, however, hold a degree of MCom in applied business economics shall not be eligible. So you have to at least completed your master degree in commerce only. PGT information big tech, computer science, IT, master degree in computer application, information technology, MTech computer application, computer science, information technology, and B.Ed or equivalent degree from a recognized for all these things. You have to your masters with PED and proficiency in teaching Hindi and English medium. Then for TGT is 35 years old, 4 years integrated degree course of Regional College of Education of NCERT in the concerned subject with at least 50% mark in aggregate, or bachelor's degree with at least 50% mark in the concerned subject like Hindi, English, social studies, any two of the following main subject like history, geography, economics, political science, which one must be either history or geography. For those who are applying for social studies, you have either any of the two subject as your main subject like graduation level history, geography, economics, political science, which one must be either history or geography. Then for TGT mathematics as a main subject at graduation level as your honors subject with the level subject physics, chemistry, electronics, it will be your elective subject. For TGT science, bachelor degree in science with any two of the subject like botany, zoology, chemistry, you can apply for TGT science. With all this degree, you have to completed your B.Ed or equivalent degree from a recognized university, pass either state eligibility test or CTET, Central Teacher Eligibility Test, proficiency in teaching Hindi and English medium. This is the eligibility criteria. First read if you are eligible for applying any post, then you can opt it for that. Otherwise, it will be like the waste of your money, waste of your time, and waste of your hard work. So first read it carefully or see the video carefully, then you can apply for that. This is a age relaxation for SC ST 5 years age. The if you are applying for TGT, there is 35 years. You can, if the candidate is belongs to SC or ST, you can apply within 40 years. Like that, other backward classes, OBC 30 years. Central government post are like continuous service central government post 5 years. Personally, arena and domicile UT Jammu Kashmir during persons ordinarily domiciled in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir during 5 years. Persons with disability including women, SC/ST, OBC general 15 years for SC/ST, 13 years for OBC general for 10 years. So this is a very good sign for women candidate. They can apply after these years. The next serviceman 3 years only. This is the thing, important thing we discuss about. Then we will be discuss about the syllabus of EMRS. We are discussing all the details of application procedure. Then we will be discuss the syllabus in the next video. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please do subscribe and share for more updates. Thank you so much.